हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लाइव प्रयागराज चैनल पे आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं आपको जनरल डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करूंगा। 400 वर्ड की डिक्टेशन है और स्पीड 80 से 90 वर्ड पर मिनट। आप लोग रेडी हो जाएं। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन, I would like to refer to some of the observations made in the course of the debate which relate to the Defense Ministry items. There have been comments expressing concern in regard to the conditions and salaries of the officers and men of the armed forces. No one would contend that these conditions have either reached an extremely satisfactory stage, but defense, like everything else, has to be fitted into the general pattern of the country. The first question is what we can afford and what are the relative priorities. As one of the speakers said, the defense budget of this year is already 50 crores of rupees higher than last year, and it is likely to go further up if there are other difficulties. So while government keeps in view the possibility of improving these conditions in some cases more quickly than in others, the conditions at present cannot be said to be any worse than they were before, and it is not on account of any lack of concern or consideration that we have to postpone further improvements, but it is due to the state of the resources of the country. The armed forces have undergone no physical expansion, that is to say, the strength has not been increased, but there is a considerable amount of money expended year after year because of better equipment, more modern equipment, and also because of rise in prices of material, military or otherwise in the world. A specific question about the officers has been raised, and it is suggested that we can make all the lieutenant colonels full colonels before they retire, and that colonels should command battalions. We are not refusing to have this practice just because it is not done elsewhere, but normally a battalion commander is a lieutenant colonel everywhere. If we were to convert all these lieutenant colonels into full colonels, a large number of officers will get colonel's rank, and their pensions, even if they serve for 20 years, would be 100 rupees a month more than the others, and at the present moment the country cannot afford it. Another point raised was that they were retired so early that it is a hardship. It is true that they can retire at 40, but most of them do continue in the services. The age of retirement, as against in private industries, is early. Full stop. Thank you so much.